Notebook LM is now Gemini Notebook, and it comes with a great update that can perform complex analysis and create data visualizations for you. It can conduct this analysis here because it can write and execute code. For the data visualizations that it creates, you can find those in the studio panel here. We'll close out this visualization and we can see our three images here. So the first one is the one that we've seen already. Look how it highlights what your attention should be drawn to. These are pretty good data visualizations. Same thing here. You can zoom in or zoom out. Not only that, it produced a PDF, a document for the segment analysis. If we open this up, it's actually a 3 to 4 page document with a title, an executive summary, different sections for each of the insights, including tables with data points here, and an explanation of what happened, what it saw in the data. The data visualizations look pretty good, and this document looks solid. The colors for the data visualization help you to understand the trends. The tables are great, and there's also strategic recommendations for next steps. As an analytics professional who's worked for Fortune 500 and enterprise organizations, this document is a solid start. You can save it or print it out, but we'll go back to our notebook and ask it to build an interactive dashboard. While it does that, here's a preview on the left side with our sources, so you can scroll through and preview the data, but we'll close this out and collapse that panel, and it's providing the response. Even though it asked me if I wanted an interactive dashboard, in the response it tells me that interactive web and HTML dashboards aren't supported in this environment, and so it created a PNG. I could see interactive dashboards on the product roadmap, so maybe it'll come in the future. Still, this dashboard looks pretty nice. There are different types of visualizations here where you can easily see the insights from the data. We'll go back to the chat panel, and one feature I really like is the follow-up questions in Gemini Notebook. If you want to choose one of these suggestions, it gives you these clickable options down here. So we're going to ask it to compile metrics into an Excel spreadsheet model. And once again, we can open the thoughts to see the progress through the response. It gives me a summary of the Excel workbook, including the tabs like the executive summary, customer segments, channel and campaign dynamics, along with the customization. In the studio panel, here's our Excel file. So if we click on it, it's download only. We can open it up. We'll see the formatting with the title and the description of the data set, as well as this formatting for the tables, the columns. It highlights key metrics here, like average customer spend. We can see the highlighted columns here. If we look at some of the other tabs, it's also highlighted these other metrics to draw our eye. Same with channel and campaign dynamics. Now, if we go back to our notebook, I asked it to prepare talking points, a script, and create a new deck. Ask it to include points from the Excel spreadsheet, as well as the segment analysis or anything else you want, and define the aesthetic, the tone, the design that you want. Now we'll ask the notebook to create a one-page executive memo for us. We'll go to our studio panel and click on the PDF for our executive memo, and look at this format. It's something that the target audience can consume pretty quickly. Next, we'll ask it to create a marketing strategy targeting households with children. With this response, we now have the customer profile and insights strategic marketing pillars that highlight the opportunity and the tactics for each one, along with the marketing channel and the execution summary. I'll point out that these assets in the studio panel can be created with the options at the top of the panel. And I really love how actionable the suggestions are from the notebook. You can create a sample script for an exit intent pop-up on the website, create a promotional email template targeting a specific segment, and even develop a loyalty program for family segments. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.